Theta value equivalent to $0.6386 a coin. The present reach: $0.6277, $0.6401. The earlier day close: $0.6350. The change was plus 0.0036, plus 0.57%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost forecast for September 2023. First and foremost, cost at $0.62. Greatest cost 73 cents, least cost 58 cents. The normal for the month 65 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 68 cents, change for September 9.7%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. To start with, cost at $0.68. Greatest cost 78 cents, least cost 59 cents. The normal for the month 70 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 73 cents, change for October 7.4%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $0.73. Most extreme cost 73 cents, least cost 57 cents. The normal for the month 66 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 61 cents, change for November 16.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Before all else, cost at $0.61. Most extreme cost 70 cents, least cost 60 cents. The normal for the month 64 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 65 cents, change for December 6.6%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. To start with, cost at $0.65. Greatest cost 65 cents, least cost 53 cents. The normal for the month 60 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 57 cents, change for January 12.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.57. Greatest cost 57 cents, least cost 45 cents. The normal for the month 52 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 48 cents, change for February 15.8%. Theta cost expectation for WALK 2024. Initially cost at $0.48. Most extreme cost 49 cents, least cost 43 cents. The normal for the month 47 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 46 cents, change for spring 4.2%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $0.46. Most extreme cost 46 cents, least cost 40 cents. The normal for the month 44 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 43 cents, change for April 6.5%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else, cost at $0.43. Most extreme cost 50 cents, least cost 43 cents. The normal for the month 46 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 47 cents, change for May 9.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. To start with, cost at $0.47. Greatest cost 59 cents, least cost 47 cents. The normal for the month 52 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 55 cents, change for June 17.0%. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.55. Greatest cost 55 cents, least cost 43 cents. The normal for the month 50 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 46 cents, change for July 16.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Initially cost at $0.46. Most extreme cost 46 cents, least cost 36 cents. The normal for the month 42 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 39 cents, change for August 15.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.39. Most extreme cost 45 cents, least cost 39 cents. The normal for the month 41 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 42 cents, change for September 7.7%. Theta cost expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 24 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 22 cents, change for November 10.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. In the first place cost at $0.22. Greatest cost 22 cents, least cost 18 cents. The normal for the month 20 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 19 cents, change for December 13.6%. Theta cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at $0.19. Most extreme cost 19 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 18 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 18 cents, change for January 5.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. At the outset cost at $0.18. Most extreme cost 18 cents, least cost 16 cents. The normal for the month 17 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 17 cents, change for February 5.6%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $0.17. Greatest cost 21 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 20 cents, change for spring 17.6%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. In the first place cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 25 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 23 cents, change for April 15.0%. Theta cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at $0.23. Greatest cost 29 cents, least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 27 cents, change for May 17.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Before all else cost at $0.27. Most extreme cost 27 cents, least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 25 cents, change for June 7.4%. Theta cost expectation for July 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.25. Greatest cost 28 cents, least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 26 cents, change for July 4.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. To start with cost at $0.26. Greatest cost 32 cents, least cost 26 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 30 cents, change for August 15.4%. Theta cost expectation for September 2026. Initially cost at $0.3.